With Audi Connect now set up, let's take a look at the assistance and security features as well as the Audi Connect app.
Let's address emergency requests, beginning with a manual SOS call. Of course, the motivation for using this feature could be anything from a serious collision to a medical emergency with one of the vehicle's occupants. There are many possible reasons to use this feature, and it's intended to give some peace of mind to the customer. Literally, help is one button away, but using this feature over dialing 911 has added benefits. The operating sequence is as follows. The customer initiates the process by pressing the e-call button on the roof here. When that happens, the position of the vehicle, as well as the vehicle data, such as last direction of travel and number of passengers, are sent to the call center. The call is then set up and the operator is informed about the reason for the call. At this point, depending on the emergency, the call center then connects with the rescue directing center. Those emergency services receive further information and are deployed. The advisor will then provide support until emergency services arrive. Let's push the button and see it in action. Note that we've given the call center advance notice of this test, meaning please don't work this into your vehicle presentations.
The emergency call was initiated. To cancel the call setup, push the emergency call button again. Making emergency call.
The MMI screen will show you that you're connecting to the emergency call center. There is a brief wait while you wait for the connection to be established. And then you'll see on the MMI screen that you're actually connected to the emergency call. You'll also see that key vehicle data is being transmitted as well as your GPS coordinates. After which point you'll see one more message to indicate that you are indeed connected to the advisor. Now if you push the red button by mistake, or perhaps one of your passengers has done so, canceling the call is as easy as just pushing the red button once again.
The emergency call was canceled manually.
While we've just reviewed the process of a manual SOS call, the system will automatically make the call if restraint devices such as airbags or seatbelt tensioners have been deployed. When these devices are released, the vehicle position and status such as airbag status and crash sensor data are transmitted automatically to the call center. The advisor initiates a voice call with the vehicle, and if the customer is capable, provides information back to the advisor. The rescue directing center is then contacted and provided key information for deployment. This is a feature that has the potential to help all Audi customers, and it's a great talking point for those who have stressed safety as a primary buying motive.